Good evening. Good evening. Tell me what is the difference between C++ language and Java language? Thank you. First of all, we discuss what is the C++ and the Java language. C++ is the object-oriented programming language which is mainly used for creating large-scale application, while Java is the high-level object-oriented and most popular language which is mainly used for creating the applications. Now we discuss the point-wise difference between C++ language and the Java language. The first point is the platform independence or platform dependency. C++ is the platform dependent while Java is the platform independence. Independence means we can run Java program on any operating system like Windows, Mac OS, etc. While the next point is the mainly used for C++ is mainly used for system program, while Java is the mainly used for application program. By using the Java, we can create a web-based application, desktop-based application, as well as the mobile-based application. Now we discuss the next point, that is the multiple inheritance. C++ support the multiple inheritance, but while Java does not support the multiple inheritance by using the class, but Java supports multiple inheritance by using interface. Then the next point is object-oriented language. C++ is the semi-object-oriented programming language, while Java is the complete or full object-oriented programming language, except it supports the pointer. But Java is mostly known as the fully object-oriented programming language. Means we can develop our platform or software by using the classes and the object. Means everything in Java is based on the class and object. Then the next point is compiler and interpreter. In C++, there is only compiler. Means C++ source code is compiled and run using the compiler only. So it is also known as the platform dependence. While Java is contain both compiler as well as the interpreter. Means Java source code is converted or compiled into the bytecode at the time of compilation, and the bytecode is interpreted into the machine code, or it creates the output at the time of runtime. So it is known as the platform independence. Now we discuss the next point, that is the goto statement. C++ supports the goto statements, while the Java does not support the goto statement. After that, we discuss the point, that is operator overloading. C++ supports the operator overloading, while Java does not support the operator overloading. Then the next point is constructor and union. C++ supports the constructor and union, but Java does not support the constructor and union. After that, we discuss the next point, that is the thread support. C++ does not support the thread or does not support the concept of thread, but in Java it has the built-in support for the thread, or we can say that it supports the thread concept. After that, the next point is constructor and destructor. C++ supports the both constructor as well as the destructor, but in Java it only supports the constructor. It does not support the concept of destructor. After that, we discuss the point that is access specifier or modifier. C++, in C++ there are mainly three type of access specifier or modifier. Means C++ supports public C++ supports the access modifier such as public, privated as well as the protected, while in Java it supports the mainly four type of access modifier, that is public, protected, private as well as the default. Then the next point is preprocessor. C++ supports the concept of preprocessor, while the Java does not support the concept of preprocessor. And the last point is that the types of loops. In C++, it supports the mainly three types of loops, that is do while loop, and for loop. In Java mainly it supports the four loops, that is do while loop as well as the for loop and the for each loop. That is all about the differences between C++ language and the Java language. Thank you.